So I've just replaced this broken mirror assembly on my passenger side of my vehicle, and this is the new one that I installed. This mirror assembly I purchased on eBay for about a little over $80. So in order to remove the old one, I basically had to open up the entire inner door assembly, right? The entire inner door panel, which you can see is sitting right there, right? I took this panel is actually in a way it's just attached to the inside of the door through these plastic clips, right? You can see there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 all around, and this portion here just basically sits on top of the window sill right here, right? So yeah, so in order to remove this assembly, you had to I had to take this piece of tape off, which was sitting right over here, and it covers these two access holes. With the access holes, you can then, I don't know if you can see it, that's kind of getting a little bit, there's 3 bolts right there. You see the 3 bolts? Yeah, there you go. 1, 2, 3 bolts. Through these access holes, you gotta have like an extension socket wrench to get in there. Plus, if you can see this wire right here, this wire harnesses, this is also part of the side mirror assembly. So you need to kind of pry this piece of white piece of plastic open in order to allow you to snake the wire through here, you know, and down there, and through the bottom through this access hole that's covered by this plastic. And I just reattached it to reattach the electrical connection here. So yeah, finally got this done. Next step, of course, is to reassemble the whole panel and everything. All these, you got these other pieces here, like this is the handle. These two pieces are the handle on the door panel. It's used to close the door. And there's also this guy right here, which is like which sits somewhere over here which is your control for your windows and your door lock, right? So yeah, this, you can see the blue and white connectors over there that goes with this. So yeah, I'm going to tighten all the nuts and bolts up, and then reassemble my door panel.